எல்லாம் வந்துட்டாங்களா?
வந்துட்டாங்க சார். ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிடலாம் சார்.
சரி. I have given one exercise, two exercises also. That answer I have sharing now. First exercise is one. I will share the file for your creation. It's for second exercise. Final level will be IL 97.870. For the first exercise, IL will be minus 2.475. Now I have shared the file in WhatsApp group. You can also verify after this class. Okay. I will go for another chapter. Drainage pipe sizing as per NBC. This pipe sizing only from the NBC table, not as per calculation. You don't need to put any separate calculation for this method. If you want to put your calculation, means you have to use Linux formula. That chapter will go in future. Now you will see the drainage pipe sizing as per NBC tabulation. Normally we will use as per NBC tabulation method only for the small project. If you taking more size of project like infrastructure township project, we have to use Linux formula for the header pipe calculation, not branch pipe calculation. For the branch pipe and the small pipes, we can use tabulation only. That only for you very easy. You don't need to calculate for each pipe, small branch and all. You don't need to calculate. You can take the size from the NBC table. So you have to calculate the header pipe size, main pipe size only, based on your flow rate with the Linux formula. That chapter we will take in some. I think 27th chapter we will take. So NBC 4.5.3.6.15. The minimum internal diameter for sanitary application shall be as follows. They are provided minimum internal diameter from the pictures pictures outlet. They are given. This may be vary. Some one size may be vary as per the market availability. This is standard size only they have provided. This may be vary. So based on your vendor, supplier or manufacturer standard, this may be vary. The size can be reduced also. So the size can be little more. One size higher also will be available. But you have to know the standard size of the drainage pictures outlet. Then only you can calculate. Then only you can arrive the point. Soil applications. Soil means soil pipe, human waste. Soil applications. Indian and European type water closet. 100 mm they have provided. Minimum internal outside diameter of waste outlet. 100 mm they have provided. But normally we are using 110 mm only we are using in our regular market. We have available of sizes 110 mm only. Bed pan washer and the slope sink 100 mm only. This also 110 mm only in our available market. Urinal with the integral drop. Integral drop urinal 75 mm outlet will be there. The same size only we are using. Stall urinal with not more than 120 mm of channel draining. 50 mm outlet we are using. Liquid urinal small and large 40 mm outlet. The same size only we are using. Waste applications. Drinking fountain. Drinking fountain means side view of drinking fountain. Here I have provided side view of drinking fountain. In your college and bus terminal or railway station, everywhere is there drinking fountain. So for the drinking fountain, we have to provide 25 mm outlet, drainage outlet. This only the vertical outlet only 25 mm. Here on P drop also. Here we have to provide one P drop or water drop also. We have to provide to arrest the found gas. Drinking fountain 25 mm, wash basin 33 mm. From the wash basin bottom, we have to provide 33 mm P drop or water drop outlet 33 mm only. Bidet outlet 30 mm only, same as wash basin. Sometimes 40 mm also available. Bidet size. Domestic sink and the bath. Domestic sink and the bath 40 mm outlet only. Shower bath trays 40 mm. Shower bath. Sometimes shower tray type also available. We have to install the tray type shower also. For that one, we need to put the 40 mm outlet only. Domestic bathtub. Bathtub for the bathtub. We are using in our house also. No, that bathtub only. For the bathtub, 50 mm outlet will be there. Portal and the canteen sink. For portal and the canteen sink, 50 mm will be there outlet. For domestic sink and 40 mm only. In our house, 40 mm only outlet will be there. But hotel 50 mm, one size higher. Flow drop outlet. Normal flow drop is there. No, we are using flow drop for drain and the toilet. 70 mm outlet will be there. This is the standard size. Based on the markets, if more higher and lesser size will be there, we have to see that and all. The vendor detail everything will be. This is the typical arrangement of drinking fountain. For our idea purpose, I have shown here. Typical side view of the drinking fountain. From bottom of the drinking fountain, we have to provide outward pipe with P drop. This is a waste pipe riser. The vent is going top and the drain is going bottom, like that. This is the water inlet. Water inlet for outlet for the outlet of water, we have to provide one drip tap. We have to provide. This is only standard size. We have to keep in mind. This, from the outlet, how we have to connect the header. Cutter size also, for the cutter size and the branch pipe size also, they have provided tabulation. You will see in next slide. This is slope sink. In the hospital, they will use slope sink to wash the hospital things, equipment, small equipment, scissors, everything. They will wash here only. For the slope sink also, you need to provide 110 mm outlet only. For the slope sink, they are maintaining it bottom. We 110 mm feet up also we have to provide. They will throw all the urinal and everything, patient urinal and waste, everything they will throw here only. Slope sink only they will throw. So that purpose only they are using the hospital. Bed punching also same thing, same as slope sink only, but they will not throw the urinal and everything, but they will wash the equipments like as dishwasher. The house we are using dishwasher now. That plate and the spoon and everything we are washing on. That type only, but it will wash the hospital things. Hospital pan, the urinal cup, the scissors, knife, and everything. It will wash and sanitize. So that purpose only bed pension we are using. So this size also in the MBS they have provided bed pension. Bed pen washers on the slopes. 100 output only we have to provide. This also we need to connect into. If we are going to hospital project, for this one we have to put a separate pipe, not soil pipe. We should not connect it to soil pipe. Actually, in MDC they have don't do soil application like that, but we are not connecting into soil pipe. We are collecting this water separately and the treating also. The treating purpose also separate. We are treating by some special method, not STP. Because all bacteria and germs of the they are more, so that's why we have to keep separate. Drainage picture in your DFU for the different picture with the minimum pipe size. So when this based on the drainage picture value only, we have to arrive the branch and the header pipe size. For the every pictures they have provided picture unit based on the flow rate, water flow rate. Based on the drainage water flow rate, they have provided one picture unit. For example, bathroom group, water closet, wash basin, bidet, and tub or shower. So this much is there. In that one, suppose you are using water closet flush wall type means in this bathroom group, suppose you are using water closet with the flush wall means for this group you have to take eight picture unit you have to take. This is private. Why they have provided private and public means private means your house. Public means public at railway station, airport, school, college, office, and all public system. Private means residential only. So that's why private means you have to take 8. This type of group type of bathroom you will not provide in public. Shower, everything you will not provide in public. So that's why they have removed the value in the type of this type of bathroom. So if you are using in the group water closet with the flush wall means 8 picture unit you have to take. Otherwise, if you are using water closet with the flush tank means 6 picture units. Normally in our house flush tank only we are using. Normal simple house means flush tank. For the flushing, we one tank will be there. The tank only we are flushing one flush switch. Automatically it will go. Water will flow. So that only we are taking for this group. We have to take 6 for every bathroom. This kind of picture will be come means for the bathroom we have to take 6 like that. If you are designing more big bathroom means you have to take separate for the bathtub separate, washing separate, ablation process separate, everything you have to take separately for that one. They are This is for small kind of project, small house. We will take 8 fixture unit. You are using plus 1 means. If you are using plus 10 means 6 fixture unit you need there. That's all. Like that you have to take. See, they are given a separate also. Second part, bathtub. For the bathtub, private. If you are using in the private, 3 fixture unit you need to take. Bathtub we are not going to use in public. We are not, they are not providing in our office and railway station also. That's why they are removed. Minimum drop size for the bathtub we have to provide drop size. Drop size means that one only. This one only. Under the picture we are providing fit drop. That one no, that size only they have provided. This only. This is a drop. This drop size only they have mentioned here in table. Bar sink. Bar sink means in the bar they have used one sink. For that one you have to take one picture in it only. Small amount of bar sink what they are going to wash only the glass bottles they will wash. That's why they are provided one picture. The floor will be very less. That's why. If you are going public bar means two picture will be you need to take. Outlet will be outlet drop size will be 40 mm. Ablation percent and period one picture unit. Public means two you have to take. The outlet will be 40. Cloth washer. Cloth washer means washing machine only. For the washing machine, if you are using in the house 3, for the public also 3 only. Outlet will be 50 mm. Dishwasher in domestic mostly in domestic only we will use. For the 2 picture unit. Public means public also 2. Outlet will be 40 mm. Drinking fountain. Already we have seen drinking fountain in the previous slide. Normally drinking fountain we provide in public area only, not in our house. So for that one we have to use 0.5 or 0.75. This outlet will be 30 mm. If it is in public area, 30 mm. Previously, in our slide we have seen 25 mm they have provided. So generally they have provided. But in our public area, 32 mm only outlet only we will provide. So here it is continuing here. Flow drain. For the flow drain, one picture you need to take for domestic purpose. Wash machine 150 liter. Service or mop sink 1.5 for the domestic purpose. Kitchen sink 2, shower 2, like that. Likewise, you have to take. So if you are going to design for the public project, you have to take this side. If you are taking private project, you have to take private in the sense domestic purpose, residential purpose. That is not for public use. So are the standard size they are standard drop size they have provided. Maybe this may be vary based on availability in the market. Sometimes now they have mentioned floor drain now. For that one, we are using 75 mm only, not 50 mm. You have to adapt as per the market also. So 50 mm full drop also is there, but we are not using outlet 50 mm outlet floor drop. Only 75 mm outlet floor drop only we are using standard. So that we have to keep in mind. See here also water closet plus wall, water closet plus and for the water closet we are providing 1 ton only. But in the NBC ATM they have provided minimum, that also they have told minimum price drop price only. If you have more size, that also you can use. So they have told minimum drop price only they have provided. So this picture unit you have to take like this only. So another one table also is that picture unit value for pictures based on picture drained on drop size, like that they have provided. So you don't need to think about type of picture. Picture name you don't want to think. Just outlet pipe size. Picture drain and drop size. Outlet drop is that size only you have to see. That's all. That amount outlet means Picture unit, one picture unit you take. 40 mm outlet means two picture unit you got to take. 50 mm outlet means three picture unit you got to take. Like that they have provided, but we never use this table. We never use this table, but we are using this 4.5.3.5.1 table only we are using for designing the drain pipe size. So this suppose you don't have any information means you can use this table. The rough calculation only. So this table 18 will be little more accuracy. So you can see another table. Building drain and receiver. For the building drain and receiver, how the pipe size is arrived. So generally we can take for ground floor. If you are if you have toilets in the ground floor only, they don't have any first floor or second floor means you can take generally this table 21 class 4.5.3.51 you can take. If you want design for high rise building means we got to take next calculation. Horizontal picture branch for this one is table 20. Horizontal picture branches and stacks. This table only will take for the high rise building. Table 21 is for the general for the ground floor project as well as first floor projects. This is provided based on the pipe slope. The size is provided based on the drainage picture unit with the pipe slope. In that 20 table number 20, they will not consider for the slope, pipe slope and all. Just they will provide based on the picture unit. So like that is that we got to keep in mind the difference between the two calculations. So for the drainage diameter of the pipe, this is the diameter pipe size they have provided the diameter of the pipe. Maximum number of drainage fixtures unit DFU that can be connected to any portion of the building drain or the building sewer, including branches of the building drain for slope. So you can connect 30 mm pipe size. If you take it at 30 mm pipe size means for the 1:200 slope. For 30 mm pipe, we are not going to provide 1:200 mm slope. So that's why they are removed. 1:100 also we are not going to give. So 1:50, some case we will provide 1:50 we will provide. For that one, if you providing 1:50 for the 30 mm pipe, we can connect one picture unit. One picture unit only we can connect. If you going 1:25, you have to connect one picture unit only. If you take this is 32 means what? 32 means from the wash basin or some other digging fountain. Like that future only you can check that the mm only. 40 mm only some sink other type of things will come. So 40 mm means 40 mm what are the pictures is come? Sink is there, kitchen sink, pantry sink, and urinal. Like that it will come 40 mm means. In the party also, if you want to connect, if you are taking as party as a header, if you have to connect some country amount 20 mm also, you have to connect in party. For that one, if you are taking 1:50 slope, that 5 means 3 picture unit, up to 3 picture unit you can connect maximum. The maximum number of drainage picture unit only they have from 30 mm. If you are going 1/25 means 3, that also 3. So for the 50 also, 1:50 you are providing means 21 picture unit, 1:25 means 26 picture unit. So like that 65, 75 they are provided. Normally our pipe 75, 100 only. For the waste pipe minimum size or the cutter size 75 only we are maintaining. For the soil pipe 1 ton only we are maintaining. Minimum size starting pipe size, cutter pipe size 100 soil. For the soil 100 minimum pipe size we are maintaining 100 only. For the waste minimum pipe size 75 only we are providing. For the better maintenance and the service purpose we are providing like that only. If you are calculating the pipe just that amount diameter also, it is something into cutter means you have to provide cutter size 75 only. So like that we are designing. So we will take 75 mm means so only for the 75 mm pipe, if we are providing 1:100 means 36 fixer unit you can connect the 75 mm pipe. Your branch fixed unit value should not increase, that is 36 mm, should not more than 36 fixed unit. If you are running the header pipe say 70 mm header pipe with 1:50 means, so up to 42 fixed unit you can connect. So if you are running the 70 mm header pipes 1:25 means 50 fixed unit you can connect. So like that you are going to read the table. And 100, if you see 100 mm pipe, if you are running the 100 mm pipe in 1:100 slope, you can connect 180 fixture unit, maximum 180 fixture unit you can connect in the 100 mm header. If you are running the same 100 mm header in 1:50 means 216 fixture unit, 216 fixture unit you can connect. So we will not run mostly, we will run the 100 mm pipe in 1:100 or 1:70 only we will run. Worst case, if you are in hill station, if you go hill station project, you will get more slope. So that time you can connect like this. If you are running in 1/25 means 250 pixel unit you can connect. So then your velocity also pipe. If you are increasing the slope, 200 slope, 1:200 means little bit slope will be there. 100 means little more, or 50 means more, and 1:25 means more slope will come. So if you are increasing slope direction more means you will get more velocity also. So like that will be there. So pipe correction will be more. If you are getting more velocity means pipe correction also will be more. So like that you have to read this table and do the pipe sizing. If you go another table, I will explain this table. Horizontal fixer branches and stacks. Horizontal fixer branches and stacks. Class 4.5.3.5.1. Serial number, drain pipe size. Same thing with what are the pipes we are using. That only they have provided. Maximum number of drainage fixtures unit. Maximum number of drainage fixture unit DFU that can be connected to branch total for horizontal branch. Branch total for horizontal branch. This one is stacked. This is a vertical pipe. This is they have provided for vertical pipe. Maximum number of drainage fixture unit that can be connected to stack. We got to take this and all. For stack means vertical pipe. For the vertical pipe, you have to take this one. For the horizontal pipe, horizontal branches, you got to this one. This column you got to take for the horizontal pipes. So with this table, you can design for the horizontal project pipe and the vertical pipe also. In the first previous table number 21, generally they have provided. This is the table number 21. Generally they have provided. They are not mentioned the horizontal, vertical and all. So here they have provided slope. Based on the slope only, we have to put the pipe face. We have to connect the pipe face. If they are giving slope means this is not a vertical pipe. Only horizontal pipe only we are giving slope. So that's why this table is useful for ground floor project only, not the first floor and high-rise buildings. Only if you in our project having only ground floor means we can use 21, table number 21. So if you are going for high-rise building means high-rise building as well as ground floor also you can use table number 20. Horizontal fixer branches and stacks. Stacks means vertical pipe. Horizontal pipe and vertical pipe both you can design from the table number 20. Like that you have to read the table. So diameter of the pipe they have 30 to 40, 50, 60 like that they are provided. If you take the 32 mm pipe for the branch total for horizontal branch, one fixed unit only you can connect it. Same thing only in previous table also. If you take this 32 mm as a vertical pipe, means total discharge into one branch interval. For the one branch interval, two fixed unit you can connect, because vertical pipe means more velocity will be there. So that's where they are connecting double time of the fixed unit. More fixed unit, double time they are connected here. For the total stack, three branch interval also two. For the stack greater than three branch interval means again two. So what is the branch interval? Branch interval means floor, number of floor. How much branch you are connecting into vertical pipe? That only they are mentioned. So every floor you are going to connect one branch. So like that you have to think. For every floor you are for the vertical pipe, vertical stack. For each floor you are going to connect one pipe. So that means only you have to get. So like that is the 40 mm. For the 40 mm horizontal means the three picture you can connect. If you are going vertical pipe to single branch to three branches interval or less, up to three branch, two or three or less they have provided. More than three means you got to take 8. 50 mm for the horizontal branch 6. For the single branch interval vertical 6. And more than single. Lesser than 3 means 10. If you are connecting greater than 3 branches, 24 picture unit will connect. Like that, normally in our vertical pipe, we are using minimum 70 mm and as per the flow rate, we will increase the pipe size. Minimum 75 mm for the waste pipe, we will take minimum 75 mm. For the soil pipe, we will take 100 mm or 110 mm only minimum size we will take. Based on the branch and the picture unit load, we will increase the pipe size. So that's why 75 mm, if you see the 75 mm better, 20 picture unit you can connect in its horizontal direction. If you go in vertical direction, vertical pipe, 20 picture unit up to the one branch interval. If you go for up to 3 branch interval, 40 picture unit you can connect. If you go more than 3 branch interval, 72 picture unit you can connect. For the 100 mm pipe, horizontal branch 160 picture unit you can connect. For the one branch interval, in a vertical pipe 90 picture unit, and the 3 branch interval, up to 3 branch interval, 240 picture unit you can connect. If you go in more than 3 branch interval, 500 picture unit you can connect. For in the vertical pipe, if you have more than 3 floors, 3 or 4, 5 floors means for you can connect up to 5 picture unit, 500 picture unit you can connect in the soil pipe, 110 mm soil pipe you can connect. So like that you have to read. So if we go in our small design, see I have provided one pipe size sketch. See our male toilet. This is male toilet, the handicap toilet, female toilet, shower, janitor, pantry. Everything is there. One group of toilet. This is called one group of toilet. This group of toilet, drain pipes are connected to separated, waste pipe separated and soil pipe separated. We are using two pipe system. We are using double pipe system. All the waste pipes are connecting into one header. All the soil pipes are connecting into one separate header. So like that we have arrived. For your understanding purpose, we have provided separate color also. Blue color and green color we have provided. Blue color is the soil pipe and green color is the waste pipe. So both the pipes are connected into separate header. Green color header is waste pipe header and blue color header is the soil pipe header. Like that is there. The pipe is starting from where the soil pipe. If you take the soil pipe, it is starting from where it is starting EWC. From the EWC only it is taken. 3 number of for the one EWC, 3 drainage feature only we have to take from the table. Picture in the table. From this table, table number 18. From this table number 18, water closet with the plus tank. Water closet with the plus tank only I have taken. For this one, for the private only I have designed. For the private 3 picture only I have to take. From the table number 18. So that only I have mentioned here. 3 picture DFU drainage. With DFU means drainage picture unit. I have taken here. So this will be this branch pipe will be connected with the header pipe. That header pipe load will be 3 picture unit only. For that one, how much I have taken? 1 ton mm only, because minimum drainage pipe size we have to provide 1 ton mm only we have to provide starting pipe size. For the soil application we have to provide 1 ton mm only. That's why I kept 1 ton mm. For the slope, with the slope 1:100. I already told already. If you for the thumb with the thumb rule, you can take the pipe slope as a diameter only. If you are taking 1 ton mm or 100 mm, 1:100 you can take thumb rule. That's all. You don't want to see the flow rate and all. That's all. You don't want to calculate. We don't know the flow rate and all. So that's why you have to provide 1:100 slope. That's all. If you are taking 70 mm waste pipe means 1:50 or 1:70 you can provide. In our table, we have found 1:50. That's why I have provided 1:50 slope. You can go up to 1:70. You can go now. 1:50 also 1:70. Based on the your site available. Normally we will go 1:70 only for the waste pipe. So with the we are connecting into 1 ton mm soil pipe header. If you go in the next connection, urinal, UR means urinal. You have to see in our plumbing legend and abbreviation. Everything you have provided UWC, FT, UR. UWC means European Water Website. FT means flow trough. UR means urinal. WP means wash basin. UWC means European closet. Like that, you have to keep in mind. So from the urinal, 2 numbers of urinal only we are taking. From the 2 number each for the each urinal, 2 picture drainage picture only from the table number 18 we took. For each urinal, 2 picture unit. Here we are taken 2 picture 2 urinals. That's why 2 into 2 4 drainage picture. Here 2 drainage picture adding into header. So total here after adding this picture unit, how much picture unit will be coming for the drainage header? 3 plus 4, 7 picture unit. That only I have mentioned here. Already 3 is coming here. So another 4 we are connecting. So that's why it is 3 plus 4, 7 drainage picture here. Here we will get the 7 picture drainage picture. With the pipe size of 1 ton mm, with the slope 1:100 we are maintaining. Because why we are not changing here? For this slope, we can connect up to how much? 1:100 means we go the tabulation. For the horizontal pipe size, 1 ton mm horizontal pipe size. Horizontal pipe means up to 160 branches you can connect. 160 pusher unit you can connect here. So that's why we are not changing the pipe size. So here our pusher unit value is 7 only. So up to so again EWC, 4 number of EWC will come connecting into the same branch, same header. So 7 plus 12, 19 is coming. So same sense only we are maintaining, and the slope also same 1:100 only we are maintaining. So again another in the toilet soil pipe we are connecting urinal, 5 number of urinal. For each urinal 2 picture unit, 5 into 2, 10 picture unit here I have put. 10 plus previous picture unit 19, 10 plus 19, 29 drainage picture unit will come after this connecting. So we are maintaining 1 ton pipe only with 1:100 slope. Again, if you go here, health handicap toilet, another one EWC will connected into our header. So for the EWC, 3 picture entry we are taking. So already 29 picture entry is there in the header. So 3 plus 29, 32 picture entry is coming. If we go female toilet, four number of EWC is connecting into our header. So 4 into 3, 12. So 12 plus 32, 44 drainage picture unit will come. So we have to maintain same size only because the picture unit is 44 only. So no more pipe is connecting after this female toilet connection. No more pipe is connecting into this soil bed. So directly we are connecting into vertical riser. We are connecting into the vertical riser in the shaft. This is a PH shaft. PH is shaft number 1. We are connecting into the shaft pipe into the vertical pipe. We are connecting like this. This vertical pipe, how much load will be there? For the same load, 44 drainage picture unit will be there. We are maintaining soil pipe size 1 ton mm only here. So starting size of the vertical pipe is 1 ton mm only. This is the starting size. If you go for the waste pipe, like that only. The flow drop only, first we are connecting flow drop only in the header. For the flow drop, drainage picture unit will be one picture unit, one drainage picture unit only. So we have to start the header with 70 mm diameter only. So that's why we are started. For the drainage pipe, for the 70 mm pipe means how much you can take. You have to see the table. So up to one branch interval means up to 20 picture unit you can connect. One branch into horizontal pipe means 20 picture unit you can take. So if you going to connect to total discharge into one branch interval means 20 only. So if you are taking total stack of 3 branches interval means less than 3 branch means 48 you can connect. So like that is that in our scenario, we are running the pipe horizontal only. So you have to take up to 20 pixel unit only you can connect the waste pipe. So if you go here, one pixel unit starting size we are taken 70 mm only. Another one wash basin. From the two wash basin, for each wash basin we took one pixel unit, 2 into 1, 2. So 2 plus 1, 3 pixel unit we have mentioned here. For the 3 pixel unit, same size only we are maintaining, 70 only 50 only we are maintaining. We go here, 4 number of flow drop is connecting into our header, waste header. For each flow drop, 1 pixel unit we took from the table. So 4 plus 3, 7 pixel unit is coming. If you go another here, 4 number of wash basin is connected to our header. So for the each wash basin, 1 pixel unit. 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 picture unit here we are correcting. So likewise, if we are taking up to here, if you take like this, here health person, 4 number of health person plus 3 number of wash basin. For each health person, 1 picture unit we going to take. For the wash basin also 1 picture unit, each wash basin 1 picture unit. So 4 plus 3, 7 picture will come. 7 plus 13, 20 picture unit is there. Up to 20 picture unit, we can connect in horizontal direction, horizontal pipe in 70 mm pipe with the slope 1:50. After that, we have to change the pipe phase. We are going to connect the two shower. From the shower, one waste pipe you have to connect. For the shower, you have to take two picture drainage picture. 2 plus 20, 22 will come. So you are increasing the flow rate here. You are increasing the picture rate. That's why you got to change the diameter. Here reducer you have to put eccentric reducer you have to put here. You have to change because our picture unit is exceeded. So more than 20 is coming. So that's why we are changing the pipe phase with the reducer. Here the reducer one side is 75 will come, another side 210 will 110 will come. So one ton side you have to connect the 110 pipe. So like that you have to change the pipe. Again, here from the janitor, one janitor sink is connected to our waste pipe. For the janitor sink, you have to take 1.5 drainage picture unit. If you add this one 25, 22 plus 1.5 is 23.5 drainage picture unit. After that, pantry sink also it is connecting. For the pantry sink, two drainage picture unit, 23.5 plus 2, 25.5. Here mistake, there is a mistake. Same thing only they have mentioned. Actually, instead of 23.5, 25.5 will come. So like that only. So both pipe, waste pipe and soil pipe, both pipes size are same only. So we are connecting the waste pipe into one ton minimum waste pipe into vertical waste tap, one ton minimum soil pipe into vertical soil stack we are connected. Likewise, you got to do the horizontal branches and connect it into the vertical pipe. If you go multiple floors, I will show the multiple floors. Separate sheet. you have seen in PDF in slide, you can see in CAD, after CAD. So this only we have previously seen. This only we have seen. It's also we are corrected here. 23.5 picture unit. After that 25.5 picture unit. After that it is connecting into cutter, west pipe cutter. So same thing only. This is the third floor. From the third floor only we are connecting third floor. After that second floor it is going to second floor. After that it is going to first floor. So after the first floor it is going to ground floor. So total number of floors how much is sir? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 floors including ground floor. 4 floors are there. So same typical toilet only. From the ground floor to third floor, same typical only we are considered for the combination purpose. So same picture unit only, the same thing only will come for every floor. If you take the soil pipe, 44 number of drainage picture unit is coming. First initially it is coming. If you go into down second floor level, 44 into 2, because same thing is currently here also. So 44 into 2, 88 is coming. So if you go into here, first floor means third level, means 3 into 44, so 32. Picture unit we are connecting here. After that 178 drainage picture unit we are connecting. So 4 branch interval, 1, 2, 3, 4. For the 4 branch interval, 176 picture unit we have here. So if you see the table, see in the table for the 4 branch, more than 3 branch, for the greater than 3 branch means for the 70 110 mm pipe, 500 picture unit you can connect. For the vertical pipe, up to 500 picture unit you can connect. So that's why you don't need to change the diameter of the vertical pipe. And also for the 75 mm pipe, more than 3 branch means you can connect up to 72 picture unit. So now we can go here. So we already changed it. We have changed the diameter. So one for the west pipe also we have changed it because we already reached the exit limit. More than 20 picture unit we have reached in horizontal. That's why we have changed the pipe size. So after changing the pipe size, we should not reduce. Once you change it, increase the pipe size, same size only you have to follow. Otherwise, based on the picture unit, you can increase, but you should not reduce. Everywhere you are, if you take the drainage system, once you increase the pipe size, you should maintain same. Otherwise, you can increase the size only, not reduce. But in our water supply, not like that. It is ulta. So our water supply initially pipe size will be higher. If you are supplying into network, it will reduce based on the flow rate and the requirement. It will reduce. But in our drainage system, not like that. It will increase opposite. Small size to higher size will go for the drainage system because load in it is carrying. Load is always it is carrying. So that's why it will increase. Now water supply supplying. After supplying, finally the size will be reduced. The load will be reduced always. Now drainage system load will be increased. That's why our pipe size will increase. So finally we will get the pressure unit for the waste pipe. We will get the pressure unit 102. The vertical pipe 102 picture unit. That size waste pipe size will be 1 ton only we are maintaining. Because for the 1 ton pipe we can connect up to 500 drainage picture unit. So that's why we are making the same thing only. For the drainage soil pipe, we get plus 176 picture unit. That's where we are maintaining the same size only. So both size are 1 ton only. So how we are connecting the both the pipe? How we are connecting into the ground floor? The waste pipe will be connected with the gully drop. A gully drop is there. So waste pipe will be connected into waste inlet will be connected into gully drop. This is the gully, square gully, plastic type gully. The water will be go into the grating and again here you see here one drop will be there. Drop we are maintaining. The water is going downwards and going upwards. So like that will be there. Always water will be stagnant here. In this box, water will be stagnant. After this gully drop, this waste pipe output will be connected with the inspection chamber. This sewage inspection chamber. But our sewage pipe, how we are connecting? Our sewage pipe will not connecting into the gully drop. Our sewage soil pipe will be directly connecting into inspection chamber only. Soil pipe will be connecting directly into inspection chamber or manual. You can connect whatever you require based on the site availability. You can connect inspection chamber also, manual also you can connect. But waste pipe from the building you have to connect first you have to connect gully drop only. After the gully drop only you have to connect into inspection chamber. This only you have to keep in mind. This practice only we are keeping in our Indian project. In our foreign project different. You have to keep Indian project. This scenario only you have to keep. This concept only you have to keep. Waste pipe should be connected into gully trap. After the gully trap, you have to connect into inspection chamber or manual. Soil pump only you have to connect directly into the inspection chamber. Otherwise, sewage. That's all. Like that you have to connect. So likewise only you have to do the drainage pipe as per the NBC calculation. So after this pipe, if it is going 160 mm sewage outlet now, so if you are this is one building, you assume this is one building. Your project having more than one building, some 10 buildings are coming, some 20 buildings are coming means we have to calculate the header pipes. These header pipes, 160 we have mentioned now. Already I told you, starting pipe size we have, for the waste pipe we have to mention 70 mm, and the soil pipe we have to mention 110 mm. I have told this is standard starting. If you have lesser picture also, you have to maintain the header pipe size 75 110 like that. Vertical also same thing. Based on the flow rate, you have to increase the vertical. So what about the main sewage pipe? Manual to manual or inspection chamber to inspection. How much you have to maintain? This also one rule is the minimum pipe size for the underground main header pipe. Minimum you have to maintain 160 mm or 150 mm you have to maintain. Means or 6 inch pipe you have to use. Minimum size. If you are taking small ground floor pipe, only one floor also is there means you also you have to take 160 mm only. Because of maintenance purpose. So if you are reducing the pipe 70 mm or some 100 mm, your maintenance will be trouble. Always blockage will come. That's why we are minimum pipe manual to manual or inspection chamber to manual. We got to maintain 160 mm minimum. So after that only, if you are having more buildings is connecting into same manual or same network means you have to calculate based on the flow rate. Flow rate you can get from the picture in it. You can arrange the flow rate. That I will tell separately. When you are calculating water supply pipe, I will explain everything. How to get the flow rate from the picture in it. That and all is there in our NBC calculation. So from the tabulation only we will take the flow rate. Based on the flow rate only we have to arrive the pipe size with the Manning's formula. So that class we will take separately. One by one we will take. First we have to understand how to take the pipe size from the NBC. Like that we have to. If you have any doubt, you can also ask. Okay. Do you have any doubt to taking the pipe size?
Hello,
Tell me.
sir. Are you going to give any exercise for designing the pipe size?
Sorry, your voice is not clear.
Are you going to give any exercise for designing the pipe size?
Yes,
Hello.
yes, yes.
Okay. Okay.
Next, we will go vent pipe sizing. As per NBC tabulation, vent pipe sizing we are going to take. This is a simple only. This method from the NBC tabulation method is very, very simple only. Before going vent pipe sizing, we will take 10 minutes break. After that, we will take. I will explain how the vent pipe we have to provide. Now I will explain. Then we will arrive at the vent pipe sizing. It's very easy only, simple method only. You don't need to calculate for that. After taking the break, you will see the vent pipe sizing. Gulf project only we are doing vent pipe system. In our local project, we are not providing the vent pipe because they are also not liking the vent pipe system. They are not providing for vent pipe system. So that's why we have to provide in the foreign project only the vent pipe system. If the client is accepted, we can also provide vent pipe system for the Indian project also. So if you see here, this is the vent pipe from the header. We took the vent pipe from the header only. This is the wash basin. The bottom is the waste pipe is connecting into flow trap or flow drain. The top pipe is connecting into vent system. We'll take the vent pipe like this, vent pipe header like this only we take. You see here, this is the vent pipe headers running in the ceiling. The pipes are buried in the ceiling, hidden in the ceiling only. You will never see the vent pipe. The vertical pipes are hidden in the wall itself. This also you can't see. The vertical pipes will be buried in the wall. The horizontal that header pipe will be buried in the false ceiling. So for the running this pipe, we required false ceiling also in the toilets. So this is the typical little general piping arrangement of wash basin. This is the plan. This is a wash basin plan. Left side is hot water supply, beginning of hot water supply. Right side is domestic cold water supply. The center green color is the west pipe outlet. So if you see in the section AA, this is a wash basin, common type wash basin. Bottom we have to provide 32 mm outlet. After the 32 mm, we are enlarged into 40 mm. Here we have enlarged. So 40 mm flow drop, heat drop only we have provided there. After the heat drop, we are connected into vertical pipe. Vertical 40 mm waste pipe we are connected. In the T, we took one connection 30 mm waste pipe, which is vent pipe we took. The top side, we have put one reducer. After the reducer, 30 mm vent pipe we have provided. Inside the wall only we are taking this pipes and all. For this water supply, 15 mm domestic water supply is coming from above. It is coming from above. It is connected with the angle wall. From the angle wall, you take the 15 mm hose pipe for supplying the tap, for supplying the tap, good tap. Like that is the waste pipe, 40 mm waste pipe is going down. It will be connected into flow drain. So this waste pipe will be connected into flow drain. Like that is there. This is the vent pipe concept. The vent pipe we will take from the T. Above we will take the vent pipe. So bottom we will take the horizontal drive we will take. So this is the general arrangement of wash basin. If we go in urinal, this is the urinal arrangement. Same like this only. If you see here, what is the mounting height? 800 mm mounting height we have provided. If you go this urinal, 600 mm mounting height. Up to here, 600 mm we have. This size is varies based on the supplier manufacturer standard. This size will be varies, but mounting height will be 600 only in our fire. So for this one, water supply is coming from top. We are connecting it to flush wall. Water flush wall we are connecting to flush wall. 20 mm domestic water supply we are connecting to the 20 mm flush wall. Same thing only from the bottom we are taking the siphonic foul drop. One siphonic foul drop into there. When pressure type instead of providing feed drop, we are providing siphonic foul drop. Here, this is the latest model. We are providing siphonic foul drop. This also acting as a feed drop water drop only. Same function only, but input foul drop, siphonic foul drop we are providing here. After the foul drop, we are taking the pipe, 40 mm pipe we are taking here. Drain pipe we are taking bottom. It will connecting into flow drain. After this, it is going upwards with the reducer 30 mm. Reducer we put 30 mm reducer for the 30 mm vent pipe. The top only vent pipe is going. All the pipes are buried in the wall only. These are not exposing, all are buried. The exposing only in the, this flush wall and the picture only exposed. Like that only we are taking vent pipe. You see kitchen sink. How the kitchen sink arrangement is there. This is the plan, kitchen sink plan. So kitchen sink mounting height also 800 only, like as wash basin only. So this is the kitchen sink plan. This is a sink bowl. This is a strainer, drain board. This is a drain board. The sink possibly we have provided here. If you see in section BB, if you see, this is the wall mounted sink faucet. We are providing wall mounted sink faucet. We are not mounting here. This is a wall mounted type. Another type is a depth mounted. Depth mount means here will come. Here in this depth only will come. This wall mounted faucet, for this faucet we are providing supply from top. vertical pipe is coming, concealed pipe only, it is concealed in the wall. From the bottom, the screening, after the screening, P-trap we are providing. After this P-trap, we are connecting the pipe to the 40 mm waste pipe. 40 mm waste pipe is going downwards, it is connecting to the flow drain. Flow drain or flow drop, it will be connected to flow drain or flow drop. After that flow drop only will be connected with the cutter, drain cutter. So from the T, we are taking top reducer. After the reducer that we are taking upwards. So like that we are taking for the C. How the lentil pipe is providing for the EWC. So for the EWC water supply, 15 mm flushing water supply is coming from top. We will connecting into the angle cord. From the angle cord, we are taking flexible hose for the flush tank. For flush tank filling, after the filling, you can also flush by using the lever or switching. So after flushing, water is coming here. So from the after the elbow, we are taking one branch here, 50 mm branch, 50 mm vent pipe to main vent pipe. We are taking the vent pipe here. This will be connected into main vent header. This will be connected into main vent header. That's all. Always we have to take vent pipe branch. Always top of our drain pipe only, not bottom of drain. If you taking bottom of drain means this drain rainwater will come into vent pipe. So that's why you have to take top only. Top or a little bit inclined, you can take. Based on your site condition. This 110 mm soil pipe will be connecting into main soil pipe. So like that is this arrangement also. This also one general arrangement only. From the toilet pipe, they took single pipe. This is single pipe system, not the double pipe system. Or the single pipe, how they connected. The EWC and the wash basin, everything in connecting into one header only. It is connected into vertical header. So the vertical header is going upwards for venting purpose, downwards going for draining purpose. From the wash basin horizontal, then we are taking one vertical stack for venting purpose. That also we are connecting into the vertical main vent. So for venting purpose, like that is sir. So here one arrangement is sir. See, these are the EWCs. EWC is connecting into header. This header is connecting into vertical pipe. Main soil pipe, vertical main soil pipe is connecting into main soil pipe. So for the system, we are putting separate vent pipe. Separate vent pipe is the main vent pipe is there. So from the EWC, we are taking branch, vent branch. We are taking the branch. We are forming one header. This header will be connected into vertical main vent pipe. Like that is that. This is the vertical concept for EWCs. How the EWCs are connected into the vertical. So like that is. So now we are going to see size of the vertical. How to give the size of the vertical. So normally in our pictures for the every pictures we are giving 30 mm each pictures out of wash basin or front sink or kitchen sink. And the urinal for all the picture we are giving 30 mm vent outlet only we are giving. And for the headers from the header, if you are taking vertical for header means I will show. This is header vertical. This is the header for the west header we are giving vertical. For this size will be 50 mm, minimum 50 mm we are giving vertical face for the headers. If you giving vertical for the soil also you have to give 50 mm only. So for the picture venting 30 mm we have to do. So like that we have to do. So based on the length only, based on the length and the picture venting only, we are going to do the vent pipe facing. So diameter of the soil or waste tank. What is the diameter you are connecting like that they have mentioned. I am for the soil and the waste pipe. Soil pipe or waste pipe diameter they are given. Total picture unit being vented. 30 mm waste pipe means we have to vent for the radius picture unit, 2 picture unit. So like that they have given. Or the if you see 75 mm, 75 mm waste pipe, total empty picture, how much you have to vent? Minimum 10 minutes you have to take this row. Or 75 waste pipe with the 21 up to 21 pixel unit means we will take this one. In our case, we have 20 pixel unit, we have 20 pixel unit also. So you can also take this row you can take. If you take 75 with the venting pixel unit 21 means you have to take this one only. For the venting pipe, you should not use 30 mm. So that's why they have put the icon here. For this pipe, you have to provide vent pipe. How much? 10 meter. You can go up to 10-meter length with 40 mm. 40 mm. If you take 40 mm vent pipe means you can go up to 10-meter length from your joining point to vertical riser. From your outlet point to vertical riser, 10-meter maximum should be there. If you don't achieve, you don't connect within 10-meter means you have to take 34 meter. Yeah, when you can take 34 meter, if you change the pipe size. So you have to change the pipe size when you require more than 10 meter means you have to change the pipe size. If you provide 50 mm means up to 34 meter you can go. So like that is there. So if you are not enough for 30 mm for you means you have to provide again 64 mm, then you can run up to 8 km like that. So if you provide, like if you see this network here, if you taking here, this is a waste pipe. This is a waste pipe. For the waste pipe, we are taking the branch, branch here. From here to total length, only 10-meter means you can take 40 mm is enough. Total length 40 mm is enough. But it is more than 10-meter means you have to take up to 10-meter 40 mm. Again, you have to make one reduce diameter change for 50 mm. So for 50 mm means how much you can run in table there, how much they call
34 meter.
34 meter, up to 34 meter you can go. So up to 34 meter you can go. Up to 34 meter with 50 mm dia you can go. If you are not able to reach the header with 34 meter means you have to change again diameter 65. Yes, 65 means more length you can go up to 80,
82 meter.
uh,
82 meter.
80 meter you can go like that. So like that you have to change the pipe size. If you go 100 mm pipe, the 100 mm pipe with how much picture unit you are connected there, that also you have to see. So for the 75 they are given 10 picture unit, 21 picture unit, 75 picture, 53 picture unit, and 1 or 2 picture unit they have provided. Which one is covered? Which one is covered in our system? But we have to choose. So if you cover this one means 53 means picture 53 picture unit you have to went to means you have to take this row only. Then you have to see this how much pipe. If I connect 40 means 8 meter only I can go. So so 8 meter is not sufficient for us. So you have to remove. So if you go 50 means 29 meter you can take. So that's why you have to connect 50. So with the 50 you can run up to 29 meter. So within 29 meter, you should reach the vertical header to connect the vent. Otherwise, again you have to change the pipe size, header pipe size. You have to make after that 29 meter, you have to put one reducer. 50 to 65, you have to put reducer. Then you should connect it with the 65 meter. Then you can run up to 70 meter to reach the vertical cutter. Like that you have to select. That's all. So no need to see anything. So based on the length, based on the travel length and the drainage picture in it, you have to select the vent pipe face. That's all. Same thing only here in second table also. Same table only we are there. Same table number 17 only. Here also we have provided. So this much they have provided 75 mm and everything they have provided. For the picture, more picture unit value is also they have provided. This much we are not using. This is up to here is enough. I think this up to 14. I think up to 14 is enough for us to design everything. So this is the vent pipe sizing method with the MDC table. Do you have any doubt?
Sir, you have the schematic for vent pipe system here. I think you already shown for the soil and the waste pipe there.
Yes.
Can you show us the vent pipe for schematic?
No, normally vent pipe like that only we will connect. So we will not put separate schematic for vent pipe and all.
Yes, sir. No, sir. I think before you shown us a schematic in the single stack and double stack system. I think.
This one you are asking this one in the 3D model.
Yeah, no, sir. In the schematic views, P&ID model. Yes, sir. This one.
So now this like this we are not prepared. Actually we are not providing any vent pipe schematic in that only drain pipe only we are providing. I will share. If you record, I will share.
Okay. Okay.
So next slide we have to go that water demand calculation. That the calculation we will see in next class. This one I have to elaborate. This is important one. I have to elaborate more. So this one we will see in next class. Before that one, I have to go. I have to explain one chapter. Tank water storage. I have to explain. This water demand calculation we will see in next class. The 24th chapter water demand calculation we will see in next class.
Okay.
So before this one, we have to go water storage, how to store the water. Water storage, we will see in this. Water storage method. So what are the method we are going to store? That only we are seeing. You have to see. Concrete tank. Underground concrete tank we are using for water storage purpose, concrete tank, steel tank, underground type, steel tank, we are using to store the water, and the polymer tank. These are the underground tank, underground water storage. Underground water storage, above water storage, overhead water storage, we have to see. We go underground water storage. These types are concrete tank is there, steel tank is there, polymer tank is there. These are the underground tanks. Polymer tank means material water. What are the materials? PVC will be there, polymer will be there, GRP will be there, glass fiber reinforced plastic will be there, FRP will be there, fiber reinforced plastic will be there. These are the material. Polymer tank will be there. Another one, steel tank will be there. Steel means galvanized or some other material, something lot of material will be there. Steel tank. So after the painting, we will use concrete tank. You know the concrete tank, reinforced concrete we have to use for the constructing the tanks. So this three materials will be there to store the underground water. After this placing this tank, we have to put in a pump to suck the water. Submersible pump is recommended for sucking the water, so lifting the water. It's a positive display, positive pump, positive section pump. So submersible means not plumbing is not required. So that's why we are using submersible for this one. This is the vertical submersible pump type. This one is. This is a level controller, float type level controller. This is a level float type level controller. From this level controller only, this signal is passing into the control panel for control the motor. When the level is down, the water is empty means the motor will switch off. When the water tank is not sufficient water, the level is down means the underground tank water is more than this motor will switch on automatically, like that will be there. The program will be there. The automation program also is there. You can also run manually also you can run. This is ground level tank. And so ground level tank means the concrete tank type. The concrete tank is there. Same like steel tank will be there. Steel staircase also is there. If you want to go on the roof means you can also use this staircase. On the concrete tank also you can staircase. So this is a ladder, one ladder, gauge ladder we can provide, gauge ladder. The staircase also you can provide. If you have more height means you can also provide staircase also you can provide. Polymer tank. This is a panel type tank, above tank. PVC, polymer chloride material will be there. This panel, each panel, PVC material like that. Polymer chloride. The GRP, glass fiber reinforced plastic will be there. FRP, fiber reinforced plastic also will be there. These are the panel material. You can also assemble this each panel. This is a separate material. You can also dismantle with you remove the screws. Wherever you want to go, you go and you can assemble. This is a temporary purpose. No, these are the standard size. 1 meter by 1 meter only into the standard size only. This each panel having 1 meter by 1 meter size only. You can also assemble easily. This is ready-made panel size. Suppose you want to quickly some temporary water arrangement means you can also use this polymer tank. This panel tank, sectional tank, I think they call polymer tank. This panel material will be PVC, GRP, FRP will be there. Temporary for the temporary arrangement as well as permanent also you can use. You can quickly construct. That is the main advantage will be there. Quickly you can construct. This concrete and steel tank cost also more, and your construction time also will increase. So So what are the material you want, you can also use based on your project equipment. Normally, for above ground tank, we will not recommend it because we have more sufficient space in our site. So that's why we are not recommend above ground tank. Underground or overcooked tank only we recommend. Underground means below the ground only we come. So under the car parking or some other area, playground area, we will use the tank underground only. Over tank only above the building only we will use over tank. So that's why you can share the space. More tank like that only, more concrete type. This is in you can also see in our public tank, public water supply using this concrete tank only. Steel tank also somewhere they have used for railway purpose, railway or airport uh, department. They use steel tank only. So like that is there. Polymer tank we are using for house also we are using polymer tank only. PVC polymer GRP. GRP FRP is temperature resistant. Why we are using GRP or FRP is temperature resistant. Glass, GRP glass fiber reinforced plastic. This having more temperature resistant than PVC material. If you have more temperature in the sun, that the water will not heat, that the sunlight will not go into that, water. The heat also will not go into water. So that's why we will get cold water here. In summer season also, the water will not heat. The cold condition will be there. So that's why we will use TRP material, the apartment material. Both summer season also and cold season also, the water temperature will not change because of climatic change. So always normal temperature will come. So that's why we are using GRP apartment material. The abnormal temperature change. If you are going Gulf project, Gulf country or Russia or any Netherlands, Netherlands means minus temperature. Russia also minus temperature will come. If you go Gulf to extreme temperature, extreme higher also will come, extreme lower also will come. -4 degree also you can get in cold season. And 50 degree also you will get in summer season. Like that it is there. Extreme temperature will come. So we are using FRP material, FRP or GRP material in the country. That, extreme temperature country, we are using the FRP GRP. Instead of using PVC, we are using the FRP GRP for the above ground and the over tank. The for the under the below ground, underground tank, we are using concrete also. So these are the water storage methods. Do you have any doubt in the water storage?
No, sir, no.
So we will see other things in next class. Okay, I will share the slides and the exercise. Everything you do and for practice. Otherwise, you will forget. Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.